Hey everyone! Welcome back to Blockchain Dudes. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency mining. If you've ever wondered how people create new coins and validate transactions, you're in the right place. We'll cover what you need, the different types of mining, and some tips to get you started. So, let's get into it. First off, let's quickly explain what cryptocurrency mining is. In simple terms, mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain, which is a public ledger of all transactions. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they get rewarded with cryptocurrency. It's like a digital treasure hunt. Now you might be asking yourself, why do we need miners? Well, miners play a crucial role in maintaining the security and integrity of the blockchain. By solving these complex puzzles, they ensure that transactions are legitimate and that no one can double spend their coins. This process is essential for the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies. Next up, let's talk about the different types of mining. There are three main methods: solo mining, pool mining, and cloud mining. 1. Solo mining. This is where you mine on your own, using your own hardware. It can be rewarding, but it's also very challenging and requires a significant investment in equipment. Plus, the chances of successfully mining a block are quite low unless you have a lot of computational power. 2. Pool mining. This is a more popular option for beginners. In pool mining, you join a group of miners who work together to solve blocks. The rewards are shared among all members of the pool based on their contribution. This method increases your chances of earning rewards more consistently. 3. Cloud mining. If you don't want to invest in hardware or deal with electricity costs, cloud mining might be for you. With cloud mining, you rent mining power from a service provider. While it's convenient, be cautious and do your research, as there are some scams out there. So what do you need to get started with mining? Here's a quick rundown. Hardware. Depending on the type of mining you choose, you might need a powerful GPU or ASIC miner. GPUs are great for mining coins like Ethereum, while ASICs are designed for Bitcoin mining. Software. You'll need mining software that is compatible with your hardware. Popular options include CGA Miner, BFG Miner, and Easy Miner. Wallet. You'll need a cryptocurrency wallet to store your earnings. Make sure to choose a secure wallet that suits your needs. Electricity. Mining can be power-hungry, so be prepared for increased electricity bills. It's crucial to calculate your potential profits versus costs. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to help you succeed in cryptocurrency mining. 1. Stay informed. The crypto landscape changes rapidly, so keep up with the latest trends and updates in the mining community. 2. Join forums. Engage with other miners in forums or groups. They can provide valuable insights and support. 3. Monitor your hardware. Keep an eye on your equipment's temperature and performance to avoid overheating and potential failures. 4. Calculate your costs. Always be aware of your costs versus potential earnings. Use mining calculators to help you make informed decisions. And there you have it, a quick overview of cryptocurrency mining and how to get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions or want to share your mining experiences, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy mining! There are several methods of mining, but the two most common are proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS. Proof of work. This is the traditional method where miners use computational power to solve puzzles. It's energy intensive and requires specialized hardware. proof of stake. This is a newer method where validators are chosen based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. It's much more energy efficient. Each method has its own pros and cons, so choose the one that suits your goals.
Tired of complicating your life with traditional payments? With Bitrefill, your cryptocurrency becomes the key to simplifying every purchase. Use Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to pay anywhere, quickly and securely, from your daily shopping to gifts for the people you love. Bitrefill is your pass to a world without borders. Instant payments, zero stress. Safe, fast, everywhere. What are you waiting for? Join millions of users who have already revolutionized the way they pay.
Now, let's talk about what you need to start mining. Here are the essentials. Mining hardware. Depending on the type of mining, you'll need either a powerful CPU, GPU, or ASIC miner. For Bitcoin, ASIC miners are the way to go, while GPUs are great for altcoins like Ethereum. 2. Mining software. You'll need software to connect your hardware to the blockchain. Popular options include CG Miner, BFG Miner, and NiceHash. 3. Wallet. You'll need a cryptocurrency wallet to store your earnings. Make sure to choose a secure wallet that supports the coin you're mining. 4. Mining pool. Joining a mining pool can increase your chances of earning rewards, as you'll be working with other miners to solve blocks together. 5. Reliable internet connection. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial for mining. All right, let's set up your mining operation. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Choose your coin. Decide which cryptocurrency you want to mine based on profitability and your hardware. 2. Download mining software. Install your chosen mining software and configure it according to your mining pool's settings. 3. Set up your wallet. Create or set up your wallet to receive your mined coins. 4. Join a mining pool. If you're new, joining a pool is a smart move. You'll get more consistent payouts. 5. Start mining. Once everything is set up, hit that start button and watch your miner go to work. Keep an eye on temperatures and performance. Here are some quick tips to enhance your mining experience. Monitor your hardware. Keep an eye on temperatures and performance to avoid overheating. Stay updated. Cryptocurrency markets and technologies evolve quickly, so stay informed about changes and upgrades. Calculate profitability. Use mining calculators to ensure your operation is profitable after accounting for electricity costs. Consider location. Mining can consume a lot of power, so consider your electricity rates and the environmental impact. And that's it for today's video on cryptocurrency mining. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Have questions or want to share your mining experience? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy mining! If you haven't already done so, visit our website. You will find the link in the description.